For the banner, we use the section tag. So section with the class of the banner. Then there is a div class, there is a div section, there is a div tag with the class banner image. We use this to add the photo behind these titles and navigation menu. Then there is two headings, H1 for the name of the whatever you want to write. Here the title is a photography portfolio, and I use another heading, but this time a smaller, H2. You can write the subtitle for the website. So this is banner, and next we will move to the styling this part, the top part of the website.